inspiring.
Next, we have Anan Parveen, who will recite a poem. Let's give her a big round of applause.
Good morning everyone. My name is Anan Parveen from Saman International School. Freedom is very crucial to love and to enjoy. We stand together proud and strong in this land where we belong. On this day to share and free. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Ganam, your poem was both touching and evocative.
এটা